What do you think of when you hear GIF? Choosy mothers? Peanut butter.
Hi, I'm Terry Gergen. Unless you're a computer programmer or perhaps a graphic web designer, you probably didn't think, oh, of course, that's a method for storing bitmapped images.
If you are viewing this podcast and are not my mother, chances are you're a student of instructional technology and distance education. You're in the right place. I will be introducing you to GIF, otherwise known as Graphic Interchange Format, in the context of codecs to help you choose the right format for your web-based images.
So Nikki, what is a codec?
Well, a codec is an acronym for code and decode. They are software programs that are often embedded within software applications, and they're used to compress and decompress digital media for transmission over the internet.
Why is it important to compress the digital media before transmitting it?
Image, audio, and video data files are often large. Large file sizes require significant amounts of time and bandwidth to transfer associated data. Compression involves converting data into a smaller size. This conserves space and increases transmission speed.
So, like this Slinky, files are compressed, sent, then decompressed so that they return to their original form?
Well, that's true some of the time. There are two primary methods of compression. One that maintains the integrity of the original data file, and one that results in a permanent loss of some of the original data.
That must be where the terms lossy and lossless come from. Now I can see where the type of codec used could influence the quality of digital media. Thanks so much, Nikki.
Hungry for more information? Now that we have some background, let's get back to the topic of GIF.
GIF, often pronounced as GIF, is one of the three most common formats used to store, organize, and transmit digital images for web-based sharing. An understanding of GIF requires an understanding of bitmapped images. Bitmapped images are one of several types of two-dimensional graphics encountered in computer software applications. These types of images are composed of many individual dots of color called pixels. The quality of the image, known as resolution, is determined by the number of pixels in the image. This number may be referred to as dots or pixels per inch. GIF is based on a red, blue, green color palette and supports a maximum of 8 bits or 256 colors. Other common bitmapped image formats include TIFF, PNG, and JPEG, used primarily for photographic images. So you may be asking, what are the advantages of using GIF over another image format? One of the greatest advantages is that GIF uses a lossless data compression technique. Remember, this technique enables reduction in file size without reduction or loss of quality. It is most appropriate for illustrations, clip art, and animations. Although the newer PNG format is capable of displaying more than 15 million colors, GIF has remained popular because of its compatibility features and quick download times. So Nikki, let's finish by summarizing how this information may apply to educators.
Absolutely. Digital media is used by technologists and distance educators to create effective instruction for learners. GIF is one of the first and remains one of the most common image file formats for web-based applications.
And conscious consideration must be given to the processes of design, development, and distribution of digital media to maximize the effectiveness of instructional products, whether it's a web-based tutorial, a slideshow presentation, or a podcast. So the next time you're faced with a decision about what type of format to use for uploading animations, illustrations, or clip art, be informed. Be choosy. Consider choosing GIF.